guys, welcome back to the video. And in today's video you can learn how to make a keylogger or a keyboard keystroker. So first of all, what does it mean by keylogger or a keyboard keystroker? So when you type anything from a keyboard, it will be recorded and all the keys which you have pressed will be stored into a text file. Okay, so for that, first of all, you have to download some library or module from pip. So we'll open our pip, then we'll say pip install py and put. So if you will do it, you can install this module by this pip, and as you can see that I have got requirement already satisfied, means I have downloaded it previously. But if you will do, you will get that downloading scene. So going further, we will import it. We will import pynput.keyboard. Okay, okay, and then we will say listener. First of all, let me save it. I will use as no, okay, sorry, I will say keylogger, keylogger 1.py. After saving this, you can see I've got something. It's capital L, listener. Okay, after that, so sorry, I forgot to say import over here. Import listener. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make a function called file write. So we'll say def, and we'll make a function and we'll pass into key. Okay, so we'll say write to file. Okay, sorry, we don't have to use spaces, so we'll say write to file. Okay, we'll pass key into it, and then we'll make a variable called key data. Yeah, I should. Okay, so we'll say str, and we'll save all the data which is in key. So we'll store it in string format. Okay, then we have to say key data dot replace. Okay, we have to say these and say this. Good enough. Going further, so we have to now open our file. So we'll say with open. We will say our name file. We'll say data dot txt, and we'll open it in our a bracket. Okay, in our a type as f. So how we have to open is as f. You can say anything here. In place of f, you can say any variable. Okay, then we have to say f dot write key write, in bracket we have to say key data. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Now we have to do something, add one or two more lines. Now we have to say with listener, we have to say on underscore praise is equal to key. We have to call our function. We'll say write of file. Now we'll say as f, no, as l, cause we have used f upside, and we have to say l dot join. Okay, l dot join. So our program is ready. Now we will save it. Okay, we have saved it. I have done a small silly mistake. We have to say from here, from. Okay, everything is fine. Now it's time to run our program. So now I will close this our Visual Studio Code. I will go to a location where I have stored my program. So here it is keylogger 1. Okay, these two I have made for practice. Now I will run it. Where to do is to just minimize it. Okay, after minimizing it, we have to go or open. Now whatever I will press on my keyboard will be recorded. Okay, so I will open Notepad here. Okay, so I will type Notepad here, Notepad. Okay, so I have typed Notepad and it is recorded. I will open Notepad over here. Now I will say program. Now I will say I'll press space. So space is recorded. I will say for keylogger, for again space and keylogger, KEYLOGGER. So I have used backspace for many times, so it will be recorded many times. KEYLOGGER. So what I have pressed on my keyboard till now after running my program has been recorded. So I will close my Notepad and I will close my program. Now in data you can see from here, not here, yep, this I have just tried it. Okay, so from here it is Notepad. So first of all I have typed, let me show you, otherwise you will think that I am cheating on you. And I will say, now we will open our, we will press Windows key plus R and then we will press OK. Now here we will say program space for keylogger. Okay, now I will sorry for the spelling mistake. Now I will close this window. Okay, all the data which we have given, we don't have given, we have just pressed keys on the keyboard, has been recorded, right? So we will say here, so first of all I have pressed Windows key, okay, and then I have pressed R, command key. Now we say program, then I will say key dot space, okay, and then I will say space, then I will say again for, okay, and then I'll say key space. So I have pressed everything till after when after the program I run, and here's the, so here all the things or all the data which we have pressed by on our keyboard has been recorded. So basically this is used by crackers to crack the password and all. So this is just for educational purpose. Don't take it seriously and don't try to, you know,